Hello students, welcome to RG Studio. My name is Rahul, I'm a teacher. In this video, I will give you information regarding Christian Medical College, Vellore, Tamil Nadu, which is a reputed and prestigious medical institute of India. And in this video, information regarding Christian Medical College, Vellore, CMC Vellore, Master of Public Health, MPH admissions 2026 will be discussed. This is the information bulletin for Allied Health Master Courses admission 2026 for CMC Vellore. So in this video, information regarding CMC Vellore, Master of Public Health MPS course, important dates, eligibility criteria, course fee, and other important information will be discussed. And I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration, and other courses entrance exams like CUT, PG, AIMS Raipur, AIMS Rishikesh, AIMS Jodhpur, PGIMER Chandigarh, TISS Mumbai, JIPMER Pondicherry, NIMHANS Bangalore, IIPH, Savitribai Phule Pune University, Christian Medical College Vellore, and for all other university and institutes which conducts MPH, MHA and other courses entrance exams. And for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. And for the preparation of competitive exams, there is a WhatsApp group which link you will get in description box. Kindly subscribe to the channel so that you can get the information for important videos and get the information for various admissions and jobs. Kindly like, share and comment this video. So this is the applications are invited for the MPH MHA, MPH, Fellowship and MSc programs commencing in August 2026. Courses available. So in this courses available, code of the course name, educational eligibility, entrance exam paper, available number of seats, course duration, fees approximately. So these all information are given. So in this video, particularly information regarding Master of Public Health, MPH will be discussed. MPH, Master of Public Health, eligibility criteria is MBBS, BDS, Bachelor of Veterinary Sciences, BSc Nursing, BPT, BOT, graduates of IUS courses, Pharmacy and Engineering, postgraduate in Statistics, Biostatistics, Demography, Population Studies, Nutrition, Sociology, Economics, Psychology, Anthropology, Social Work, Management or Law. And entrance exam pattern is special. Number of seats is 7 for open network and for minority network and CMC Vellore staff quota 8. Duration is 2 years. Fees approximately for admission year first year 97,910 and for other year second year 51,590. So these are the fees. Now important dates will also be discussed so that student who want to take admission, they can apply in time. So these are the admission timetable 2026, 23rd of February 2026. Application can be assessed online. 30th of March 2026, last date for submission of application form with payment. So last date for submission of application form with payment is 30th of March 2026. 4th of April 2026, last date for receipt of relevant supporting documents. So all these important dates are given. And entrance exam will be in 21st of May 2026, step 1, computer based test CBT. So these are the important dates. Now there are general instructions. Basic administrative fee is for SAARC countries Indian rupees 2000, rest of the world 125 US dollar. And for Indian student, the application fee includes a basic administrative fee of rupees 1200 plus a registration fee of 500 per course applied. So student who want to take admission in CMC Vellore, Master of Public Health course, they can check all the details in admission brochure. So computer-based test will be in several cities, including Bengaluru, Bhubaneswar, Calicut, Chennai, Chittoor, including Tirupati, Coimbatore, Ernakulam, Guwahati, Hyderabad, Jamshedpur, Kolkata, Kollam, Kottayam, Krishnagiri, Lucknow, Madurai, Mumbai, New Delhi, Patna, Pondicherry, Salem, Thrissur, Tiruvananthamalai, Thiruvananthapuram, Tirunelveli, Tirupur, Vellore, including Ranipet and Kanchipuram, Vijayawada and Villupuram, and for MPH course, entrance exam pattern will be special paper. The test paper consists of multiple choice questions relevant to the specialty for which the candidate has applied 90 minutes. So in this video, information regarding CMC Vellore MPH program has been discussed, and I want to give you information that students who are preparing for various university and institutes, public health, hospital administration and other courses entrance exams, and for this, if they want online or offline coaching and want important questions PDF note, they can WhatsApp on 9411513974. Thanks for watching this video.